Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gbird. Following that, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!